Most people spend their entire lives fighting others, never realize the greatest enemy has always been hidden inside themselves. Lesson number 1. The shadow you refuse control your life. Carl Jung believed that every person carries a hidden side called the shadow. It is a contains the emotion, disappears, fear, and weakness. We reject it because they make us uncomfortable. But ignoring your shadow don't destroy it. It gives its power. The anger you surprise because restatement. The fear you deny because anxiety. The jealousies you hide become bitterness. Every time you pretended to be perfect, your shadow quietly grows stronger. The strongest people are not those who never struggle. They are the ones brave enough to confront the part of themselves they wish didn't exist. Real freedom being when you stop running from your darkness and start understanding it. The moment you accept your flaw instead of hidden them, you become impossible to manipulate because you final know who you truly are. Lesson number 2. Stop living for other people approval. Many people spend their entire lives wearing masks. They smile when they are hurting, agree when they want to discourage, or sacrifice their dream just to be accepted. Chung wanted that constantly seeking approval, disconnect you from a authentic self. Every yes spoken against your heart slowly steal your identity. The world reward people who fit in, but history remembers those who darted to be themselves. Living authentical may disappoint some people, but living dishonestly disappoint your own soul every single day. The greatest tragedy is being rejected by other. It's rejecting yourself when you stopping chasing valuation and being honoring your own values, confidence, stop depending on applause and start growing from within. Lesson number 3. Your greatest pain can become your greatest teacher. Pain is something everyone tried to avoid, yet, young believer surfing often carries the greatest lesson. Every heartbreak reveals what truly matters. Every failure exposes hidden weakness. Every disappointment focus growth that comfort never could. The people who become emotionally strong are not those who escaped pain. They are those who learn from it. Instead for asking why this happening to me, ask what is this trying to teach me. Difficult seasons often disappear you for responsibility. You could never cry before. Scary are not signs of defeat. They are events that you have survived. Battles capable for destroying weaker vision for yourself. Growth being the moment you stop seeing pain as punishment and start seeing it as transformation. Lesson number 4. What trigger you reveals what need healing. When someone word instantly make your anger insecure or defensive, the real problem may not to be them. Jung believe that intense emotion reaction often point toward unsolved wounded inside us. The people who irritate you the most sometime expose the part of yourself you refuse to face. Instead of immediately blaming other, push and ask where their behavior efforts you so deeply. The simple question can reveal fears insecurities, or past experience still controlling your emotions. Healing does happens by chasing everyone around you. It's happen by understanding yourself. Every emotions trigger in an evaluation to grow stronger. The more self-aware you become, the less power other people have you over your pieces. Lesson number 5. Long line is often the beginning of your self discovery. Many people fear being alone. People silence force them to meet themselves. Young say solitude, not a punishment, but it has opportunity. What distraction disappear, your true thoughts finally become audible. In, in solitude, your discovery whether your goals are genuinely you are bored from society. Your being questioners belief accepted without thinking. All thought long line can feel uncomfortable. It often marks the beginning of personal transformation. Some of the greatest idea, respect, headline, and strongest character are built a quiet moment that no one else sees. Learn to become uncomfortable with your own company because the relationships you have with yourself influences every other relationships in your life. Peace being when you stopping fear silence. Lesson number 6. The life you avoid is usually the life you need. Fear has a stronger habit of pointing directly toward your greatest opportunity. Jung observed that what we restart most often contain the key to your growth. Difficult conservation, the bold decision, a new change of uncomfortable change may be exactly what transformation your future. Saying comfortable feels safe, but comfortable really creates greatness. Every meaningful achievement requires stepping into uncertainty. Courage is not the absence of fear, it's moving forward despite it. The path you avoid because it feels difficult met with the every road leading to person where we meant to become. Growth being where excuse end. Lesson number 7. You become what you repeatedly think. You might quietly help your relatives every single day. If your thoughts constantly force on failure, rejection, or fear, your action eventually flow the same direction. Jung believed that unconscious patterns influence your behavior more than we realize. That's why awareness is so powerful. The moment recognize this destructive thing, you will regain the abilities to change it. Your future isn't determined by one decision, but by thousands of repeated thoughts that gradually becomes habit. Protect your mind the same way you protect your body. Feed it wisdom inside of constant negativity. Every positive belief your consistently strength become another brick in the foundation of a stronger life. Lesson number 8. True strength comes from knowing yourself. Many people spend years studying the worldwide never studying yours themselves. Young believed self-knowledge is one of the life's greatest achievement. When you understand your fear, desire, strength, weakness, and values, you stop making the decision based on pressure or impulse. You become harder to desire because you have recognized your own motivation. Success without self-awareness often lead to impotence, while self-awareness creates peace regardless or customers tools. Invest time to understanding your mind as seriously as your invest time is building your career. The better you know yourself, the wiser every decision become. Lesson number 9. Every crisis is an evaluation to transform. Life oscillation breaks is the vision of the that can no longer carry your future. Young believers transformations often begin with chores, lose a job, ending a relationships, or facing failure can feel like distraction, but this moment of open remove what not longer belong in your life. Instead of asking how quickly you can return the past, ask what new vision of every self you're trying to enter. Every crisis contains hidden potential waiting to be discovered. The strongest people are not those who avoid the storms, they are those who allowed the storm to reshape them into someone wiser, clever, and stronger than before. Lesson number 10: Becoming yourself is life's greatest achievement. Judge called the lifelong process individualization, the journey of become your true self instead of the person other expect you to be. It's require courage, caution, old beliefs, held old ones, and ambitions. Every part of who you are, society is encourage comparison, but your greatest competition has always been yesterday version of yourself, successful, wealth, and recognitions may impress the world, but inner pieces come only when your attention match your authentic values. Become yourself is not a destination you reach overnight. It is a daily choice to live honestly, grow constantly, and remain faithful to your deepest truth. The greatest victory is not proving your worth, it is finally realize you never need their permissions to become who are you born to be.